Today is Monday, July 8th, 2024. And it's just after 11 a.m. Been a few days since I recorded anything. I've been watching things on the weather. And there's well, let's just say it, there's a hurricane rain headed this way, if you could say that. I'm up in southern Illinois, far from the Gulf of Mexico, but there's a Hurricane Beryl, B-E-R-Y-L. Down in Texas. It just hit landfall last night, I think. Somewhere down in southern Texas. And it came ashore as a Hurricane 1, whatever that means. I guess the wind speed was enough to make it a hurricane. And then it made a turn, or it made a turn before it even hit Texas. And it's headed up this way. It's headed northeast, which is right to me. Which just happens once in a while, but not very often. I call it hurricane rain because they're predicting about 2 inches of rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it's happened before. Not, like I said, not very often. When the remnants of a hurricane, now it's going to be a tropical depression by the time it gets up here. Yeah, we need some rain, and if it's from a hurricane, I can live with it, as long as we don't get too much. Texas is getting drowned. I can't imagine how much rain they're getting. Anyway, I thought I'd make a little video about it because it's going to be raining tomorrow. Today it's overcast and a little muggy, which means it's humid. It's in the upper 80s. But the clouds are helping, keeping it cooler. And the wind's blowing a little bit too. Anyway, that's what's happening tomorrow anyway. Yeah. And after the rain, today's Monday, after the rain on after Thursday and after, it's going to be in the 90s again. Yeah, and sunny, so I'll wait till then to spray those weeds. Yeah, I'll wait till after the rain. I'll spray those weeds up over there. Down here and across in the bottom where I feed my hay. Yeah. Yeah, but I won't. I'm gonna let this grow up. The rain should help my garden. Yeah. The grass is dry. I can see the grass dry. The leaves are curling up. It means that's how dry it is. I had 1.5 inches rain here. I forget when. I forget what day it was. I think it was last Sunday. Might have been last Sunday. I forget. Anyway, I had 1.5 inches rain back then. Been a few days, maybe a week. Anyway, that's all. That dried up a long time ago. So still dry around here. So I'll be watching the weather, watching that system move up here. All right. Rain is on the way. All right, from a Hurricane Beryl. Okay, I'll catch you later. 11 a.m. Monday, July 8th. This is was a Typhoon Beryl that hit Texas this morning, and right now it's a tropical storm. I think it's ready. Yeah, it's already past Houston. And it's on its way up here as a tropical depression, I think, or a tropical storm. Yeah, okay. They'll be bringing us some rain too. Yeah, it's storms passing over Houston, and it's headed this way from Houston northeast. Okay, we'll get some rain out of that one. Yeah, that's the forecast path of the storm that's down in Texas right now, coming right across where I am. Yeah, across southern Illinois. And on top of this, like I said, after this storm, well, tomorrow and Wednesday, when we get in the rain, the high temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s, so it's going to cool off. But then after that, it's going to be in the upper 90s again. And in addition to the storm that we're getting, yeah, through the Midwest here, South and Midwest, out west, they got record heat waves there. I think yesterday the record temperature in Las Vegas was 120. Yeah, I think Death Valley was like 128 or something. Yeah. Anyway, hot to the west and storm over where I'm at, where I'm in the middle of the country. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find anything else about this storm. Well, this is what it looks like on a different map. The storm's down there at Houston, Texas, but it's headed in this direction. It's going to be from going down from there to Texas. It's going to be taking a path up and over to the east, north and east. Okay, I'll be waiting for it. It's coming tomorrow on Wednesday. All right, catch you later.
That headed next. How about the intensity of this storm? The intensity still at 80 miles per hour. We'll get another update here coming up at the top of the hour. But you can see by 1 o'clock this afternoon, it should be downgraded to a tropical storm. But it's still going to be producing wind gusts of up to between 70 to 75 miles per hour. So that's still a lower end, hurricane. So don't let your guard down. Even as we get toward the latter part of the morning into the afternoon, you don't want to be out there doing the cleanup at that point. I would really hold off on doing any sort of cleanup for tomorrow as that storm system continues to lift out of here. By Tuesday morning, down to 40-mile-per-hour winds as it moves out of the state. And you can see by the middle of the week, it's expected to move into the Midwest, where it's going to send some heavy rains across that area. Speaking of heavy...
Well, today's still Monday, July 8th. And it's about 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It's still overcast. And it's almost 90 degrees. And hardly any wind. Well, it's not that hot since it's overcast. So, and now I'm going to check the garden. See if there's anything to harvest. I'm going to go down there and check to see if I get any cucumbers or okra. That's about all there is to harvest right now. And before I show you that, I got a short video. I got some video from what's today? Monday. So what it was on Saturday. Last Saturday, I made a short video of me harvesting some my first okra and a couple cucumbers. So I'll just add that. I'll add that in here now from July 6th, 2 days ago, and then I'll go back to what I'm going to harvest today. All right, catch you later. 11 a.m. Saturday, July 6th. Well, look at that. I got some okra blossoms. Yeah, okra blossoms, and over on this bush, I got an okra. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna harvest that one. And on this bush, I got another okra right over there. So I'm good to go. Starting to harvest okra now. All right. By the way, today is what is today? July 6th, 2024. It's Saturday, so I'm harvesting okra. Well, there's my two okra over here. I'll harvest one from that bush and one from this bush. Okay, so that's good. I can see another small one going in there, and I'll get to that when it gets a little bigger. Yeah, but that's my first harvest over the okra on July 6th. Yeah, July 6th. Alright, I'll catch you later. Yeah, there's my okra over there, starting to get a harvest there. They're looking pretty good, although they got the same ants. Some kind of ant or something. Some kind of reddish orange ant that was growing on on the mulberry tree over here. Yeah, that mulberry tree, when it had fruit on it, probably still got some on it, but there's some kind of red or orange ant. I think it's an ant. I'm not sure. It looks like an ant. Anyway, I don't know what they do to the plant, but they might be the ones sucking everything dry over here. Looks like that one's doing it. Looks like my zucchini's not going to last long. It's got some kind of a bug on it. Probably eating these two cucumbers. But you can see how the leaves are wilted, so there's something going on there. It's not the heat doing that. Something to do with some bug sucking the juice out of it. Looks like the zucchini's not going to survive. Well, I tried. I can always plant some more. See if it didn't take that long to grow, so maybe I can plant some more. Maybe I should. Maybe there's something I can dust it with. Dad used to use some kind of powder. Sevin? S-E-V-I-N, I think. I have to look. They probably still got some more at the farm. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna pick a few cucumbers too. I think there should be some in there now. So I've been eating those already. I got one zucchini left from my first harvest, but it looks like that's the only harvest I'm going to get. Oh boy, that's sad. I like zucchini better than okra. Okay. Let's harvest some cucumbers and let's see. Oh, the beans are blooming. Something's still eating them off though. Look at that. I can see the tops of the leaves are eating off. Just down here. I don't know, probably a rabbit. Yeah. Whatever it is awful high. Yeah. I'll have to check down there, see if there's any beans down there. Okay, I got two. Looks like I got two different kinds. This was a white bean, and that was a darker bean. Looks like I got two okra, two cucumbers. That's better than nothing. All right, catch you later. Well, today was July 6th, a Saturday, and right now it's right around 7:30 p.m. Got another 45 minutes before the sun goes down, but I decided to just, and it's real comfortable today. Yeah, it wasn't too hot. Yeah, somewhere in the mid 80s, not too bad. I call these the lazy days of summer because I didn't have any work to do today, or I didn't want to do any work today, whatever. And nothing important anyway, or nothing I wanted to record. So, but right now I just feel like this time of night I just wanted to take a drive around my house. Oh, the cat. I don't think he wants to take a drive. Do you? But maybe I'll take you with me. He's never ridden. Oh, don't jump on me. Oh, he wants to rub my he wants to get under my chin. Cause he's aiming for my he's aiming for my shoulders. That's what he's aiming for. You're gonna have to get off. But anyway, what I was saying, I was gonna take a drive around the house on the ATV. That's all. That's all I'm going to do. So let's see how I can do this. I gotta have one hand for the phone and one hand for the controls, but let's see if I can start it. There we go. Start it with one hand. Now let's go. Let's sprint in gear. Okay, here we go. One-handed. Oh boy. Guess we'll make it. Okay, okay. It's hard to make this turn. Yeah, going around the house. Alright, go around the backside now where I came from. Oh, I got a nice open view now. Look at that. Yeah, nice open view. I trimmed these cedar trees off. Yeah, nice view down there. Alright, let's go. Okay. Well, this is about where I started from. Right about here. Okay. I'll turn this off before I park it. Okay, that's it for today. Catch ya on the next one. Bye. Well, today is July 8th. And the zucchini's not any better. And but the okra's still growing good, and so is the cucumbers. So at least hopefully I'll get something off of there. Watermelon's still growing too, getting bigger. And that grass is getting taller. I'm gonna have to mow this one of these days, but I'm gonna hold off for a while until after this rain. The rain we get from tomorrow and Wednesday should help help the grass grow a little bit better. Anyway, I'm gonna go see what I can harvest today. Nothing to harvest today on this bush, but there's a couple small ones starting to grow. There's a deformed one here, but that's not worth harvesting. There's our okra there. I can harvest it. At least I get one, but there'll be more on the way. There's at least one cucumber in there. Let me go see if I can find any more. Something must have happened to the cucumber. I think it's because of the dry weather. Some of the cucumbers are kind of small, but they're getting old. I can tell by the color. But I got one good one, and that one, well, I'll get one okra. Yeah, better than nothing. Kind of feels like it's going to rain today, but this ain't. There's some rain over that way. I'm gonna check the radar when I get back in, but I don't think this is from the hurricane that's coming up this way, or tropical storm that's headed this way from Texas. But it's the rain popping up around here. All right, look at that apple tree. Apples don't look too healthy looking. Yeah, looks like they're even rotting. But we'll see. Last year it was kind of like this, and they all fell off before they got ripe. So I'll have to wait and see what they do. Okay. And I got a few red delicious though on that tree, so that's good. Yeah, I feel a few sprinkles. Anyway, like I said, zucchini didn't look too good this year. Yeah, cucumbers are growing. Yeah, I'll be cutting this grass here one of these days. So I'm gonna look like I got some morning glories growing in there, but I don't know how to get rid of them without hurting the watermelon. But I'll control those vines more to that side. Get them out of the way. And the zucchini, yeah, I think that's not going to make nothing. Yeah, something's eating it. Either some kind of disease or bugs, some kind of insect or disease. At least I got okra now. It's coming in. Okay, all right. Catch you later. Well, looky there. I was moving this watermelon vine out of the way, and look, we got 3 baby watermelons. One here, one there, and one down there. Look at that. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? There's probably some more on there too. But at least they got. At least they look like watermelons. Okay. I just want to get the vine away from the grass here. Okay. Catch you later. These beans aren't doing too good. They're blooming, but I don't see no beans yet. And something keeps eating the tops off. But we'll see. See what they produce, if any. I'll see if there's any beans in here yet. I wouldn't really call that a bean harvest, but it's something. I can still eat it. Whatever. Those beans came from back there. Yeah. Oh well. 2:57 p.m. Monday, July 8th. Well, I guess I was wrong about that. It is the clouds that are coming up that I saw out there to the southwest. That is part of that tropical storm, Beryl. Yeah, just the I call it the front edge. Yeah, as it starts to move up. The main part is still down there in Texas, but it's headed this way. Yeah, it's pushing up. Okay, it's supposed to be here tomorrow anyway, so probably be tonight, overnight, tomorrow morning, or yeah. So I'll get some rain out of that according to the forecast. So we'll see how much. Okay, I'm gonna check back with you later. Well, it's just after 3 p.m. on July 8th, 2024, and it's just starting to sprinkle. Just starting to sprinkle. And this is the first moisture from that Hurricane Beryl that's down in Texas. And it's headed this way, bringing some rain. Supposed to be a lot more rain tomorrow and Wednesday. So it's supposed to, most of it's tomorrow, but then it'll be ending on Wednesday. So, but most of it will be coming in probably tonight and tomorrow. The majority of it tomorrow, though. But before it rains, I'm going to go out to the barn. I haven't been out in the barn for a while. So since I sprayed, since the last time I sprayed, I think. I don't know when that was. By me a week ago, maybe less than a week. I don't know. But I want to see how the carpenter bees and if there's any other varmints out there that I need to be taken care of, or getting rid of, I should say, getting rid of. All right. Trying to keep the carpenter bees under control this year, and doing pretty good. And I sprayed again a few days ago, maybe a week ago, and I'm going to see if there's anything showing up, any more showing up. All right, catch you later. Not sure if it's visible on the recording, but I could just see the drizzle on the pond out there. Anyway, I can hear the rain on the roof of the barn, but I don't hear any bees. I don't hear any carpenter bees buzzing around. Of course, if it's raining, they might have been hiding, so yeah, the rain may have. If they were out here, the rain may have slowed them down, so. But they've been out here before when it was raining, so I'm going to go check a little closer. So far, I don't hear any or see any carpenter bees yet. Well, this area looks a lot better since I sprayed. Killed everything I wanted to kill. That way, if any animals are in here, I can see them easier when they come up. Before, if they were in here, I wouldn't see them. But I don't see nothing right now. Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah. I don't smell the skunk anymore, so maybe the animals have left the building. Get it? Animals have left the building. The groundhogs first. I get rid of them earlier this spring, I guess. I got two adults, probably the mama and the papa. I think it was 6 babies. I got 6 babies, I think. Pretty sure I got 6 babies. So, and then not went too long after that, I got 2 baby skunks. I saw 3, but I didn't get the 3rd one, so I don't know if it left or if it just died. I never saw an adult, so. But anyway, at least my spray worked, and the my weed killer worked out here, and the permethrin in the barn works for the carpentry bee. So took me a few applications of the permethrin spray to inside the barn to get them under control, but so far so good. There's still a few come back here a while back. That's why I sprayed it again. I killed a few more, but I don't hear them today. I'll check again later in the week when the warm weather comes back, and when it comes back in the 90s. Yeah, sunny and warm. That's when they like to operate. Okay, I'll catch you later. Yeah, there's the old pond. Dried up a little bit low. But there's no cattle here anyway, so it doesn't matter. And there's the garden. I guess you could call that the orchard too, because I got a couple apple and a pear tree. Okay, it's rain. I'm getting wet now, so I better go back to the house. Still sprinkling a little bit. I found a carpenter bee. Where'd he go? There it is. Yeah, went in the hole. Well, maybe not. Or just, I don't know, I lost track of it. It's still flying, maybe it's still flying around. Anyway, that's only one. Still flying around, but that's all. I don't hear any others. Oh, the rain's kind of distracting me from the bee sound. Hear the rain on the roof. But I'll be keeping my eyes open, see if I can spot any. Oh, it's almost 4 p.m. now on July 8th, Monday. And it's raining real lightly. Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to rain even more tomorrow. Forecast said about 2 inches according to the wet weather man. It could vary. It could be more, it could be less. Anyway, you can see it's raining out there on the pond. This was on this rain is cooling it down. This rain came out of the Gulf of Mexico from the Hurricane Beryl, B-E-R-Y-L. It's in Texas now. It passed over Houston. Dumped a lot of rain there, so it's going to dump some rain up here too, but not quite as much as it did down there. So, but we need to drain, or at least I do. Grass, pasture, the hay field, everything needs rain here because we're getting dry. And this next couple Tuesday and Wednesday is supposed to be cooler, so that's a relief. But then it warms up again after Thursday, so enjoy it while we got it. Rain and cooler weather for a couple days, so that's good. All right, that's I'm gonna end it here. I'll catch you on the next one, or I might update the rain situation on the weather forecast. We'll see. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Well, there's my garden this year. Not much, but something to do. Something to get. My main objective is to grow the lemongrass because I use that all winter long. I make tea out of it, out of lemongrass. I use it for cooking too, on some things. Adds a little lemony flavor to everything. Okay. All right. I'm gonna check out that apple tree. See how they're doing. They don't look too good. Maybe because it's too dry or what? Something else. Well, this rain should help everything. Look how much that one asparagus grew up. It's so tall. It's about this tall. One stalk. Okay, I gotta go back in the house. It's raining now. All right, I'll catch you later. Probably with a weather update. Well, this radar is from 4 p.m., so it was just about 5 minutes ago. And you can see the remnant of the Hurricane Beryl is down here. Came in over here, and then it went up over Houston, and now it's this. Now it's right in there. I think it's called a tropical storm now. And then the outer band, one of the outer bands, is up here already where we are. That's the rain I'm getting now, up in here. So I'm just starting to get rain now out of that. So I'm getting hurricane rain. That's what I call it, hurricane rain. Hurricane rain in southern Illinois. How about that? All right, I'll be expecting more rain tomorrow. When this center here moves up, it's going to give us some more rain. So we'll wait and see on that. All right, that's probably it for today. Since it's raining now, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. This is on a video about the projected forecast rainfall that I'm going to experience. And according to this scale here, anywhere around 2 inches, all the way through around where I live. Southern Illinois is going to be around 2 inches. So 2 to 4, should I say 2 to 4 inches. Anyway, that's what they said on the news too earlier. Yeah, anywhere 2 inches plus or minus. Okay, that's a little update. All right, catch you later. This is where the storm is forecast to look like around 6 a.m. on tomorrow morning. So by tomorrow morning, and it's still, the heavy part's still not even up here yet. Yeah, that's the edge up there, the leading edge. So that's at 6 a.m. So sometime during the day, all this yellow is going to be headed up that way too. So got some rain coming tomorrow. Well, this is supposed to be for the precipitation, which is still showing around 2 to 4 inches. Don't go by the arrow. That's where I froze it at. Yeah. But that's about the area that I'm concerned about. Anyway, that's where it's going to be. Okay. All right. That'll be tomorrow sometime when that comes through.